In this video, you'll learn how to use Jotform PDF Editor, a fantastic tool for converting your online forms into polished PDF documents. Whether you're looking to create professional reports, invoices, or simple printable forms, this guide will help you navigate the process with ease. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to head over to jotform.com. If you don't already have a Jotform account, you'll want to sign up or log in if you're already a member. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard where you can see all of your existing forms. This is where the real magic begins, as Jotform offers a seamless transition from online form data to a beautifully formatted PDF. Now, the next step is to select the form you wish to convert into a PDF document. Navigate through your list of forms and find the one you're interested in. Once you've identified your form, look for the More drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to a variety of options. But for now, we'll focus on the one that allows us to transform our form into a PDF. After you've clicked on the More drop-down, you'll see an option that says Create PDF Document. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Jotform's PDF Editor comes into play. The editor provides a multitude of tools and options to customize your document just the way you need it. You can adjust the layout, add your logo, change fonts, and even insert images if necessary. It's all about making the document fit your specific requirements. As you work within the PDF editor, take your time to explore the different elements you can add or modify. Whether you're adjusting the fields, tweaking the design, or adding headers and footers, Jotform's intuitive interface makes it easy to see the changes you're making in real time. This flexibility is perfect for ensuring that your PDF reflects the professionalism you aim for. Once you're satisfied with the layout and design of your PDF, you'll want to save your work. Jotform makes this part easy too. Simply click on the Save button to ensure all your modifications are stored. If you're planning to make multiple documents or want to keep a template for future use, this feature is particularly handy. Finally, you can download your PDF document, share it with your team, or send it directly to your clients. The PDF editor's versatility means you can use it for a range of purposes, from business proposals to registration forms, all while maintaining a consistent and polished look. And there you have it. Using Jotform PDF Editor is a straightforward process that empowers you to create professional documents with just a few clicks. I hope this guide has helped you understand how to make the most of this tool. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore Jotform support resources or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy form creating.